this video we are going to unbox Lava Storm Play 5G 6GB RAM 128GB 50MP AA camera IP64 rated protection. So this is the box. Let's open it. Already this phone has been used and reviewing and also posting this video very late. So here the phone is good for usage, for daily usage. Battery life also is good, and this is okay. Camera also okay, and charging time is something not fast charging, just normal charge. For this big battery it took some time, but battery backup also good, which is enough to adjust our daily tasks easily in a single charge. Connectivity and everything is good. This is the cable adapter, and here there is no option for call recording for every call, and even there is an option for auto call record for unknown numbers, and that too they will get voice prompt that your call is under recording. So this is the bad feature in this phone, which is not up to mark. And also there is a bug in this: whenever you open the camera it will automatically stay in background. We can see the notification of that by the above light here. It will run in background even if we close the camera, it will not close. That's a bug, just bug, and everything fine, all good only. And latest Android version. Smooth operation also. And this is the case. It was been given in the box itself. Okay. Overall, this is a budget phone. You can go for it. Thanks.